Yan, mabuti kong marinig. So, ngayon po, welcome na po kayo sa Result CX Medical Mission.
Morning po. So, as mentioned, we're Result CXP Plaza. My name is Galvin Gan. I'm the Associate Director. Aside po, nag-isa lang po wala mga sasabihin ko, sorry. So, first and foremost, we're very honored to do this for you. This is actually our first medical mission. And I'd like to consider it as a first of many, we hope. Right? So, there's always a starting. Paniwala pa, sabi nga nila. In reality, ito po, this is a special project of one of our senior operations manager, Christine Andrada. Siya po yan. And in fact, I'll just be presenting our site director, actually Fred Sosa, who was not able to make it today, but he definitely sends his heartfelt regard. Okay? Today, our agenda is of course check up for our seniors, then their groceries and food para dun sa mga lahat ng registered. We hope to, I'll make this really short, we hope to do more of this in the future, and of course it's a privilege for us and the whole site to have this interaction with everyone today. Lastly, thank you to Ma'am Karen of CSWD. So, si Ma'am Karen, thank you po for the partnership. And then of course, OSCA, and then the Antipolo, that local government for partnering with us. In behalf, once again, of our senior managers, our site director, Fred Sosa, Result CXQ Plaza, thank you po.
Maraming salamat din po sa pagpunta nyo sa aming medical mission. Tulad nga po ng sinabi ni Mr. Galvin Gan, ito po yung una naming medical mission ng Result CX. And sana po matuwa kayo dahil marami po kaming libreng coffee po, libreng haircut, at meron din po libreng foods and also health check-up po. So sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo and let's enjoy the day.
Result CXQ Plaza as we conduct our first ever medical mission drive. And I'm very grateful to be given this opportunity to lead this project. Giving back to the community is one of the initiatives that our company truly loves, because here at Result CX, we truly care.
Here at Result CX, we 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 care!
Here at Result CX, we care.